Okay, today I'm going to be making chicken and dumplings on my 1927 quality gas stove. Here is the stove I will be cooking the chicken and dumplings on. Okay, first I'm going to start out with 3 chicken breasts and I will cut them into cubes. Okay, these chicken breasts are a little big, so I only use 2 and I will add a third one if needed. Okay, I have cut the chicken into semi-cube shaped things. Now I will add this to the saucepan. Hopefully this pan is big enough. If not, I'll have to switch pans in the middle of this. Now I will chop up 1 sweet onion. Okay, now I will add the onions to the saucepan. Now I will chop 3 carrots into thirds and add that to the saucepan. Okay, I decided to chop the carrots a little finer. Now I will add them to the saucepan. Now I will slice 3 sticks of celery. Now I will add the celery to the saucepan. Okay, the saucepan was not big enough, so I put everything in a stock pot. Now I will add 8 cups of chicken broth. Okay, I have added 8 cups of chicken broth. Now I will turn on the fire. Okay, now I will add some seasonings like salt, bay leaves, and poultry seasoning. While the chicken and vegetables cook, I'm going to make the dumplings. Okay, to 1 3/4 a cup of flour, I'm going to add 1/3 a cup of lard. Now I will add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I will add 3/4 a cup of heavy whipping cream. So the recipe called for 3/4 a cup of milk, but I substituted that with heavy whipping cream because heavy whipping cream is sweeter. Now I will add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I have rolled out the dumpling dough. Now I will cut it into squares. Now I will strain the broth out of the chicken and vegetable mixture, and I will cook the dumplings in the broth, and then I will add the chicken and vegetables back to the broth. Okay, now I will relight the burner, and I will cook the dumplings in this chicken broth. Okay, the broth is almost boiling. Now I will add the dumplings. Now I will cook these dumplings for about 15 minutes. Okay, the dumplings should be about done. Now I will add them back to the chicken and vegetables with the broth. Okay, I have combined everything into the original stock pot. Now I will let this cook for 2 to 3 more minutes and then it is ready. Now I will put this on the back burner to simmer. This is where that saying, putting things on the back burner, comes from, because the back burner has the simmer. That's the simmer right there. Okay, the chicken and dumplings are done. Now we'll make me a bowl. And there they are.